So if you drive a Toyota 4Runner TRD Off Road, this might happen to you. Yeah, the very first time I took it off road, came right off. For those of you who don't know, this is what it's supposed to look like. This weird plastic piece goes right over here. And of course, so yeah, this is trash. So yeah, I just took that out of the trash. I'll probably keep that for way too long for some stupid reason. But yeah, real quick TED Talk here. I don't know why they put those stupid little fascias on the front and the back. I think they look stupid. They're silver on every single color of the TRD Off-Road, whether you get white, red, black, whatever, they're always silver. And everyone either paints them black, you know, something like that or something. So, I haven't decided what I want to do. I did make a post about it. Didn't get too much feedback from it, so I'm gonna just do what I want, or I'm just gonna do what I came up with. So when it comes off, there's a bunch of clips and stuff in the back, and they break, and it's really hard to get it back on. There's probably a couple different options. I could refinish it, I could paint it, I could try and fix the clips and everything, but I didn't want to go that route because I'm just gonna fucking rip it off again. So I think I came up with a pretty unique and interesting idea. Check it out. I think it looks way better. Honestly, I had a lot of fun doing this one. It was kind of more of a creative project, just to see if I could make it look better, like, and use the 3D printer and designing a little part to see how it would turn out. I'm also thinking about throwing this the 3D file up on Thingiverse, so let me know if that's something you guys might be interested in, just for fun. And whoever wants to can print it off. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Later.